Good morning, everyone. We welcome our new chairman, and we are happy that he has joined as the chairman of GSIDC. So I would like request Chairman sir to speak a few words to all the staff gathered and the media.
Happy to take charge as chairman GSIDC. GSIDC is an organization which is a company which is of Government of Goa, and they are doing works of good quality, construction of so many buildings, hospitals, all panchayat gars. They have built good roads and bridges. You can see our very famous bridge, Atal Setu, which was constructed by GSIDC, and they have kept a name from the time of inception, that is 2001. And today, Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant has given me this responsibility as a chairman of GSIDC. I will work with the entire team of GSIDC, our MD, Mr. Kadam, and his entire team which is over here, all the general managers and the engineers, the chief architects, and see that the works which are in progress of construction of primary health centers, community health centers, our hospitals, GMC hospital, and so many other works which are going on, we will complete them successfully and also take up new projects in a lot of villages of Goa, and especially the remote villages of Goa, in the rural Goa, where infrastructure is required to be done. And I am very thankful to all the staff who have greeted me today, and I have shown them that, given them a confidence that we will work together as a team. Thank you.
Down the lane.
We have to have the will to do it, and definitely government support is there, and plus GSIDC is on his own. We will try to take up jobs even outside Goa, because we are eligible to take jobs anywhere of infrastructure, and not only government projects, even beyond government projects we can take. So definitely we will work to see that GSIDC works on its own. Now what works we are doing of government, we need to get the money from there. So we can take up more projects and get money from other departments, even outside the state. If some other state there is work and we can bid and get that work, so we can get funding from them. So there should not be any issue as far as funds is concerned to get all these works done. Good quality work is what GSIDC is very, very famous for. No, it's about Goa. GSIDC works for Goa at the moment. So we will work for the state of Goa. And all big projects which GSIDC has already undertaken, and where there is AMC problem, that annual maintenance contract, which is some of them which are not renewed, we will work with that department to see that it is renewed. Like Mapsa District Hospital was built by GSIDC, and there is a morgue over there, morgue facility, which is non-functional. So I was just talking to our MD and the other engineers how we can talk to the government, or we can ask the government whether we should take and sign the AMC, or make the parent department to sign the AMC so that morgue is repaired, so that people do not have a problem to run to GMC and overload over there. So we have 25 morgues over there, so which was built by GSIDC, we completed the work and handed over. So all these things have to be put in place. What we had done, so the name of GSIDC should stand. We will work with all the MLAs of the state of Goa, and whatever clearances we get from the finance department and the Honorable Chief Minister, we will start the works over there on priority in those constituencies. Especially all PHCs, CHCs, these are very important thing to be upgraded in the state of Goa, which GSIDC can take up. Like stands of the football ground or football grounds, playgrounds, lot of things which are required to be done. We will also see about the upgradation of existing toilets which are there in the state of Goa, which is lacking in. Like you see the basic hygiene in these toilets, which are right now, a lot of them are not in good shape. So how we can rope in to take up this work and hand over to the respective municipalities or village panchayats, so that tourists and locals can make use of them.
So are there so many things bad in Goa? When you talk
Not
about
bad in Goa. We need to put things in place. Lot of things are there which requires attention. We will speak to the concerned MLAs and see what we can, how we can also help them.
So Mantri attention dina. Mantri by attention dina.
Mantri je itun not no.
Yeah, a lot of attention.
So bus stand खूप वर्षा फाटी उरलेला असता
So that is depending on the Honorable CM whether we should take it up or he is going to give it under PPP.
No, but
Because we have come to know that transport department has floated a tender or is in process of floating a tender
now since you are
under PPP. If not, then GSIDC has done the preliminary. I was talking to the staff, so they have done the preliminary work to take it up. So let us.
now since you
All
are
depends.
now since you are a GSIDC chairman, you have always said in your statements, I mean, कि I'm ready to help the Mapsa MLA in his development. If you remember.
We
So
will
after the
work.
chairman,
So let them come with the proposal, no? And let them.
So how do you see that?
Let every MLA, I've said that every MLA should come with a proposal, and if we can do something and the finance department gives the nod, we will definitely do it.
Sir, किती डेटा नाही आहे की कितले प्रोजेक्ट असे हायलाइट तुम्ही
So tell us, in this week I will take it up.
तिचे मेजर प्रोजेक्ट आता तुमचं टेन्युअर आणि तुम्ही बेगितल्या बेगीन संपवत बिफोर इलेक्शन.
See, all the ongoing works which are there, which have already started, I will take a review of them. Go and see the projects, the progress of work, how much behind schedule it is, or we are in track. Means it is right in time. Work is and completion, if it is possible before 2027 January. Like by December 2026, if these projects can be completed, we'll fast track them to see that the quality work is maintained and is completed.
Okay, Michael.
So that will be our first priority. The ongoing works and new works which we are going to be taking up, we'll also take them.
तुम्ही पळतात GNH.
춥춥게 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 춥춥춥 춥춥춥게 춥춥게 춥춥게 춥춥춥게.
अरे आप लोग ऐसे छुप छुप के जो खा रहे हो? बीवी तला हुआ खाने नहीं देती तो बीवी को बोलो पंचामृत के वुड एंड कोल्ड प्रेस ऑयल से खाना पकाए. नेचुरल प्रोसेस से बने ये सब तेल सेहत के लिए पोषक ही है. कुछ भी खाओ लेकिन हेल्दी खाओ. हेल्दी यानी
पंचामृत.